Smooth. It creates soft waves. This is Freestyle by Upgrade, the avant-garde design hot plate. Developed for professional use, Freestyle is characterized by an innovation that improves performance and incredibly simplifies its use. Because with Freestyle, you will no longer have to open and close the hot plates as in traditional models. Upgrade has equipped it with a central opening through which the hair flows easily. This solution also prevents heat loss by keeping the temperature constant during styling. Since you do not have to exert any pressure on the hair, your hands move freely without straining the wrist. Now, the small or large strands pass inside the fixed hot plates made of titanium and covered with tourmaline ceramic, so the hair becomes like silk. The color shines and the smooth or soft natural effects last longer. That's why with Freestyle, everyone can get the styling wanted without stressing their hair. Are you looking for gentle straightening? Slide the lock of hair inside the hot plates without exerting pressure, but only thanks to the heat. The hair will be exceptionally soft and silky. Is your hair frizzy and uncontrollable? And do you want a medium smooth look? Just insert the lock in the central opening, holding it horizontally, then slide the plate vertically as if to form an L. The result will be a more defined, smooth look. For a strong, smooth look, insert the lock of hair into the opening and exert a slight pressure on the hot plates. Then slide the plate downwards. The result will be perfect. With Freestyle, even the wavy effect is very simple. Place the hairlock inside the opening, then hold it in tension and slide the plate downwards with a rotating movement. See the natural result? At the top, there is the power button. The temperature is preset automatically at 220 degrees centigrade. Pressing it can change it to 160 degrees centigrade. The anti-slip and anti-burn handle ensures maximum comfort and safety during work. Freestyle by Upgrade. Freeze hair beauty.